In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Read Aloud. This feature is perfect when you want to listen hands-free, review long responses without staring at the screen, or make content more accessible. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start using it right away. Begin inside an existing conversation. Look through the thread and choose the specific message you want to hear out loud. It can be a response from ChatGPT or a message you've written. The key is to select the one message that contains the content you want to listen to. Focusing on a single message keeps things efficient, especially if the conversation is long. Take a moment to confirm you've found the exact message with the information you need, so you hear precisely what you expect once playback begins. Next, move your mouse over that message to reveal more options. When I say hover, I mean placing your cursor on top of the message bubble without clicking. As you hover, a small set of icons should appear. Look for the More Options icon, which looks like 3 dots. It's typically near the upper corner of the message bubble and can be subtle, so pause for a second to let it appear. If you don't see it right away, try adjusting your cursor slightly over the message until the options show up. Once the 3 dots are visible, click them to open the menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Read Aloud. Click Read Aloud, and the message will start playing automatically. You'll usually notice a small audio player on screen that indicates playback is active. From there, you can listen start to finish. If you need to manage the sound, use your device's volume controls for the best result, and make sure your speakers or headphones are connected. If playback doesn't start, double-check your system volume and confirm your browser isn't muted. A quick refresh can also help if your connection briefly hiccups. That's all there is to it. Open your conversation, hover over the message to uncover the 3 dots, and choose Read Aloud. With this simple flow, you can turn any message into audio in seconds, making it easier to learn on the go or review content while multitasking. Give it a try the next time you want to listen instead of read, and enjoy a smoother, more accessible ChatGPT experience.